There's been warmth and rain lately, so I did have to put a spray on in the vineyard here at Montepulciano, the Barossa. Let's have a walk. Everything's healthy, but there's been a lot of humidity around, so see this little bit of residue. Pretty natural kind of sulfur spray that vineyard operators can put on to keep the mildews away, keep everything healthy. Things are looking nice and healthy. Oh, you can even see perhaps here still a few drops of rain there from overnight, so better to be safe, keep everything healthy. But yeah, good crops in the Montepulciano, not too heavy. I still should get some really nice quality red wine for the season. Okay, have a good Saturday.